Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video, I'll show you this thing. This thing is called air vent lower. Air vent lower allows the air comes out and you can direct the direction. Okay, so two of these plates has indeed broken. So I need to replace it. So this video is about how to replace this air vent lower by yourself. Now you cannot just replace it out, put it out like this and then install it like this. I mean, that's what you see. It doesn't work that way. You need to remove the whole panel to do that. Okay, for this model car. So first thing first, remove this gear knob. I would recommend that you do that. There's one tiny screw there. Then press on this button and pull it out straight. Remember, there's a spring on this button. Make sure you don't lose it. Put it somewhere. Now here, there's this end here is not flush. Just pull it out. And then the left side, the right side is a bit tight, so you just pull it out a little bit strength. Oh, there you go. Right? Okay. Not that difficult. And I'm going to hang it over the gear here. Right. There you go. Because there's some wire, okay, connected to this knob. There are two mounting screws need to be removed so that you can remove the radio together with the air vent lower. Now I'm using a strong magnet so that the screw later will not fall straight down. Okay, there you go. Then once after that, just leave it up, and then on the left side as well and right side. And then you just need to pull it out away from the panel, but not too far away, because there are three more wires connected to this radio that needs to be disconnected. Okay, so you need to pull it out and then gently go behind and remove these three wires. It fits only one side, and you need to press on the button before you disconnect the wire. Then all you need to do next is to remove this screw so that you can pull this air vent lower out. I bought this online. I bought the chrome version so that it looks so much better. I'm going to show you how. You see, so much better, isn't it, compared to the one that without a chrome. So this is the version I bought. So I'm going to install this back into the panel. Make sure it's aligned to this screw hole here. Okay, and then there are actually four notches. Two on top, two below. Okay, there are two, one here and the other one on the left and right. And then down here, three. I hope you can see it together on the left side. Then this one here. Okay, make sure it's aligned. And here, it will click. You hear the click sound when you push it in gently. Then at last will be the screw, the mounting screw. Hand tighten it. Don't use any machine to do that. You might end up breaking the plastic. There you go. So much better, isn't it? The one with the chrome version. Okay, so you can bought online the chrome lower. Now, meanwhile, it's not over yet. I'm going to show you the maintenance. I bought this Fabric surface cleaner, and then I'll show you how dirty can it be after a few years. There you go. It's dark color. Now, I'm not sure is it dirt or is it discoloration from plastic, but to me it looks like dirt because it looks so clean after that. Okay, so I'm going to clean the interior wall and reverse the process to install it. So this video is about changing the air vent lower, and I hope you find this useful, and I recommend that you buy the chrome version. It looks so much handsome now compared to earlier. That's all from me. Give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye bye.